Saptarangi Sapna, the seven colored dream, is a magical journey where every color tells a story. Red gives courage, orange sparks creativity, yellow brings hope, green teaches growth, blue offers peace, indigo shares wisdom, and violet unites them all. This dream reminds us that the rainbow also shines within us. With a sketchbook filled with colorful drawings made during the day. The child loved colors. Each page of the sketchbook was filled with rainbows, magical creatures, and places that did not exist in the real world but lived brightly in the imagination. As sleep slowly came, the child hugged the sketchbook close, and suddenly something magical began to happen. The walls of the room shimmered like sunlight on water, the furniture disappeared, and the floor turned into golden sand. Above, the child stretched a desert glowing under the soft light of a rainbow sky. It was not ordinary dream. It was the beginning of a journey across seven worlds, each painted in a different color, each carrying a lesson for life. The desert shifted, and the child suddenly stood in a canyon glowing red. The rocks shone like burning embers, and rivers of molten light ran through the cracks of the earth. From the flames, a magnificent bird rose, a phoenix glowing with fire, its wings spreading across the sky like the sun itself. The child's heart pounded. Fear tried to hold their feet still, but step by step, the child walked closer to the fiery bird. The phoenix looked down not as enemy but as a guardian. In that moment, the child understood red is the color of courage. Courage is not about never being afraid. It is about moving forward even when fear is strong. The fire of bravery was now lit inside the child's heart. The red cannon melted away, replaced by a glowing orange world. The child found themselves in a workshop filled with magic. Paint brushes floated in the air, painting skies and mountains on invisible canvases. Clay molded itself into castles, animals, and faces. Music poured out like rivers of glowing waves, filling the air with joy. The child picked up a brush and with a single stroke painted stars that sparkled above. Here, everything was alive with imagination. Orange is the color of creativity. It is the spark that lets us dream and then build those dreams into something real. The child loved realizing that creativity is freedom, the power to make something beautiful out of nothing. The magical workshop slowly faded, and the child found themselves standing in endless field of sunflowers. The whole world glowed with warm golden light. The sun shone above, not too hot, but gentle and comforting. Butterflies made of pure light fluttered around, landing softly on the flowers before rising into the sky again. The child ran freely through the fields, chasing the glowing butterflies, feeling joy fill every part of their heart. Yellow is the color of hope. It reminds us that even when nights are long and dark, the sun will always return. The child smiled, learning that hope is like light. It may hide for a while, but it always comes back to guide us forward. The golden fields of sunflowers faded, and a lush green forest grew around the child. Trees towered high, glowing softly as if alive with magic. The air smelled fresh like rain and earth. From the shadows came a wise old turtle, moving slowly, each step steady and full of purpose. The child sat beside the turtle, listening as it spoke without words, teaching through silence and patience. Green is the color of growth. Growth takes time, just like a seed needs water, sunlight, and care before becoming a tall tree. The turtle reminded the child that life is not a race. Strength comes slowly with patience and with care. The child breathed deeply, feeling the calm power of the forest. The forest slowly melted into waves of blue water. The child drifted into an underwater cave, glowing like a sapphire jewel. Around them, swam fish made of starlight, each movement leaving a trail of sparkles behind. There was no noise, only silence and calm. The child floated weightlessly, feeling peaceful and safe. Blue is the color of peace. It teaches us that sometimes strength is not in noise or action, but in calmness. In being still like the ocean, the child closed their eyes, understanding that peace is a gift for the heart, a strength that helps us face life without fear or anger. The cave opened in a night sky, deep indigo, filled with endless stars. Constellations glowed brightly, forming paths across the heavens. A wise owl flew beside the child, its golden eyes shining with knowledge. With its wings, it pointed to the stars, showing maps and secrets hidden in the sky. The child followed, learning to see meaning in the stars above. Indigo is the color of wisdom. It is the light that shines in darkness, guiding us with knowledge and truth. The child realized that wisdom is not just knowing, but understanding, seeing the hidden pearls that others cannot see. The stars swirled and changed into waves of violet light. Slowly, all the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo blended together, creating a rainbow bridge that stretched into infinity. At the center of the bridge stood a glowing doorway, shining with soft light. The child felt every lesson, every color come together in that movement. Violet is the color of unity and magic. It is where all dreams join as one. Courage, creativity, hope, growth, peace, and wisdom all became one powerful light of unity. The child stepped forward, ready to return home with the colors now living inside their heart. The rainbow bridge faded, and slowly the dream dissolved. The child opened their eyes and found themselves back in their cozy bedroom. Morning sunlight shining through the window, but something was different. The sketchbook laying on the bed now glowed with all sand colors, alive with magical drawings. The dream was gone, but the lessons remained. The child held the sketchbook tightly, smiling softly. In a whisper, they said, Saptarangi Sapna, the seven colored dream. The room filled with rainbow light, wrapping the child in warmth. The journey was over, but the seven colors would always remain. Courage in the heart, creativity in the mind, hope in the soul, growth in patience, peace in calmness, wisdom in truth, and unity in love. The seven colored dream has become part of life itself, painted forever across the child's heart.